Hello friends, today we will start the past tense, past indefinite tense. And the time before the present is called past. That means yo beet chuka hai. And we use this tense to describe any action which happened in the past. For example, the time is now 12:45 and I started making this video at 12:44. That means 1 minute ago. That means present से पहले का जो भी time होगा that will be past. Whether that is 1 minute ago, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour or months. That will be considered as past tense. And the rule of this tense is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Same as we did in present indefinite, there was no helping verb, and same is the case in this tense also. There is no helping verb, only second form of verb. Now we will have a look at the what is subject, verb and object in brief. Subject is the one who performs any action in the sentence, and verb is, as we all know, all the action words are called verbs. An object is a noun or pronoun on which a verb performs an action. And if you want to know about these things in detail, you can watch the present indefinite video where I have told about these whole things in detail. Now, next moving forward to the example, he played football. In the sentence, he is a subject as he is doing the action of playing football. And played is second form of verb and football is object जिस पे action हो रहा है. Once again, I will tell that no use of helping verb. Now, in simple present, we use always first form. For example, I play football. That mean मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ, रोज खेलता हूँ या कुछ दिन छोड़ के खेलता हूँ, but I play football. But if we talk about the simple past, for example, I played football. No, there we use second form of verb, played. That mean I played football yesterday or 2 days ago or 2 hours ago. That mean in past. And that kind of action has no connection in the present. Once again, I will tell you where and when to use this tense, and that is the most important thing, the application. Whenever you want to describe any incident which has happened in past, that means आप अपने friend को कोई incident बताना चाहते हो जो आपके साथ हो चुका है, then you will use second form of a verb. For example, I went there, I did that, I bought a new t-shirt, or I bought a car, and so on. Or while narrating any story also, we use this tense. That means second form of verb always. Now, for example, if your mother asks you about your work, whether you have done or not, and आप वो work एक दिन पहले ही कर चुके हो, at that time you will say that, Mom, I finished my work yesterday. I hope you have understood. Now we will move forward to the types of sentences. And first is simple, or you can say affirmative, in which we don't ask any question. They're totally simple. And the rule is same, subject plus second form of verb plus object. And examples are, I went to market yesterday. They came here. That means वो यहाँ पर आए. Yesterday or 2 hours ago or 5 hours ago. That means in past. Next is we played cards. She cooked food. I made cake. That means मैंने cake बनाया. Maybe yesterday or a day before yesterday. Whenever, but in past. Next is he learned English. She took medicine. My friend helped me. He celebrated his birthday. And I drank water. Next is the negative, when we deny something or we are not agree with someone. And the rule is we will just add not. But in this case, because we don't have any helping verb in this sentence, so we will add the helping verb did, second form of do, just as we did in the simple present tense. In the same way, in simple past, we use second form. That means did. Now, did is the helping verb of this tense when we want to make sentences negative or interrogative. And one thing more, when we use did, then in the sentence, the main form will be first. दैट मेन जब हम सेंटेंस में डिड यूज़ कर चुके हैं तो जो वो मेन फॉर्म होगी, मेन वर्ब फॉर्म होगी, दैट विल बी फर्स्ट फॉर्म, नॉट सेकेंड फॉर्म एज वी डू इन द सिंपल सेंटेंसेस. मीन्स डिड के साथ हमने फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगानी है. एंड एग्जाम्पल्स आर आई डिड नॉट गो टू मार्केट, दे डिड नॉट कम हियर, शी डिड नॉट टेल लाई, आई डिड नॉट मेक केक, he did not wash his car, Raman did not talk to his friend, I did not finish my work, she did not call the police, he did not celebrate his birthday. Next is interrogative. We use this sentence to ask questions, and the rule is did helping verb at the front plus subject, first form of verb plus object plus question mark. And examples are, did you talk to your teacher? Did she go to the school yesterday? As you can see that with did we use first form everywhere. Did Karan tell a lie? Not told. First form tell. Did they close the shop? Did she speak English? Did you tell the truth? Did I make the cake tasty? Did the police catch the thief? Next type is interrogative plus negative. That means combination of both. The rule is did at the front, helping verb at the front plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object and question mark. And examples are, did she not learn English? और इसका मतलब है कि क्या उसने इंग्लिश नहीं सीखी? Did they not reach early? Did he not tell a lie? Did you not eat anything? Did she not take a book from here? Did they not buy new things? Did you not finish your work? That's it. I hope you have understood each and everything. Once again, we will just have a look at the rules. We use this tense to describe any action which happened in past. And rule is subject, second form of verb plus object. And with did, we use first form always. For example, I went to school. That means मैं school गया. But if we use did, then we will use first form. That is go. I did not go to school. I hope you understood this very simple tense, and thank you for watching the video.